Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play 2v2 on Clash Royale. To begin, understand that you and your teammates share a single elixir bar, which requires careful coordination. This shared resource means every card played impacts both players' ability to deploy troops. Work together to decide who places offensive units and who provides support or defense. Effective communication is key to preventing wasted elixir and ensuring strong pushes. Always be aware of your teammates' elixir count and card cycle to maximize your combined potential on the arena. Building an effective 2v2 deck is crucial for success. Aim for a balanced composition that includes at least one strong win condition, such as a Hog Rider or Golem, and reliable defensive options like a mini P, E, KKA, or Valkyrie. Don't forget to include at least one powerful spell, like Fireball or Zap, for area control and finishing off weakened towers. Most importantly, discuss your deck choices with your teammate to ensure synergy and avoid having too many similar cards, which can lead to an unbalanced strategy. During gameplay, effective communication with your teammate is paramount. Use quick chat or emotes to signal your intentions, whether it's to push a lane, defend a specific troop, or save elixir. Focus your attacks on single targets like an enemy tower or a high-health troop to eliminate threats quickly. Remember to support your teammates' pushes by providing defensive units or spells, creating a strong combined offensive. Always be ready to adapt your strategy based on the opponent's plays and your shared elixir. To improve your 2v2 performance, avoid common mistakes. Do not overcommit all your elixir to one lane, as this leaves the other lane vulnerable to a counter-push. Similarly, resist the urge to play too many expensive cards consecutively without proper elixir management, which can leave you defenseless. Practice regularly with different teammates to understand various playstyles and adapt your strategies. Learning from each match, whether a win or a loss, will significantly enhance your teamwork and overall skill in the arena.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.